come back to Ultratech. I'm going to head across to the capital where Rohit Gupta, CFO of NIIT, is waiting for us patiently. Rohit, thank you so much for taking our time and being so patient with us. Ultratech numbers also breaking its busy earnings season for us here in the media as well. Great quarter for you. Take us through the quarterly highlights for NIIT.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sunanda. This quarter, we continue to see the traction in revenue growth and profitability. Our revenue has grown 6% at 2623 million on a year-on-year basis. And what is more important is that we have seen growth for the last 3 quarters and trajectory which is going up from 4% to 5% and now 6%. So even on the EBITDA margin side, our EBITDA margin came at 6.2%, up from 2.3% same period last year. So there's an improvement of 393 basis points. And our overall EBITDA has gone up by 185%. On the PAT as well, we have recorded a PAT of 137 million, which is roughly around 7-fold from the 18 million that we had recorded in the last year, same period.
You had also
I would also like to mention, yeah.
Okay, a bit of a cell phone disturbance there as well. Rohit, I just want to ask you about, you got into a strategic partnership with Tutorials Point as well. How has that been working out for the company? How is that looking on your balance sheets as well?
You're talking about strategic partnership with, I didn't get the name?
Tutorialpoint.com for NIIT.TV.
Okay, yes. Yeah, so we launched NIIT TV initiative last year, and I'm very happy to report that, the traction is, we are very, very happy with the success. Within 100 days of launch, we already have 150,000 registered users. Overall courses that we offer, we started with 20 courses and now we are offering 1,500 courses, and our partnership with Tutorial Point really has, is helping us in that as well. This is one of the key initiatives that NIIT has towards the, Skilling India mission and the Digital India mission. So we continue to see a lot of success here. We are very enthused about it, and we are hoping that we will be able to offer more courses and get more registered users in times to come.
All right, Rohit, stay on. I have some more questions for you. I'm going to quickly mention the fact that Edelweiss Financials got 106 crore profit coming in versus an 82 crore profit. We can see Rashesh on our screens right now, ready to address the media on those numbers as well. They're also paying out an interim dividend, about ₹1 per share. And the Q3 revenues have come in at 1,340 crore. Obviously, the question today, Rashesh, is going to be more market-oriented. Let's listen in.
FY16 results, and we have been able to show good growth all around. Our Q3 revenues were 1,361 crores for the quarter, with a profit after tax on a consolidated basis of 106 crores and a profit after tax excluding insurance of 133 crores. We have shown a 41% growth in revenue on a YOY basis, a 28% growth in consolidated profit, and a 36% growth in an ex-insurance profit. As you know, we really monitor our ex-insurance profit because insurance is still in investment phase. So when we exclude insurance, we now have a profit after tax for this quarter of 133 crores, which is a 36% growth over last year. What I'm very happy also to report is we have now achieved 18.5% ROE on an ex-insurance basis. So the ex-insurance ROE is now 18.5. We had always wanted to be above 18%, so we have hit that in this quarter, and I'm very confident that we should be able to maintain that going forward, given the size and scale that we have now achieved. Our group total net worth is now 3,858 crores, and our tangible equity is about 2,800.
All right, that's Rashesha talking about the numbers for Edelweiss. We'll get back to it when there is going to be more on the markets as well. Rohit Gupta has been patiently with us, CFO at NIIT, who's seen a big rise in profitability. The big question, Rohit, that the street was going to have for you is, are you going to be able to sustain this run rate?
We have said that, in our corporate learning group business, we will grow by 15% and we will deliver 12% margin. If you see this quarter, our growth is 17% on an year-on-year basis and our margin is 12%, and we have been consistent for the last few quarters as far as our corporate learning group margin is concerned. On our skills and career business, we have grown by 3%, and this is also an improvement in growth over last 2 quarters. So the skill and career business, on the back of business transformation exercise which was conducted last year, is seeing back to profit and back to growth. We also have a positive EBITDA this quarter, and the school business is already going through a transformation. So I think we will continue with the same guidance that we have given to the street.
All right. So just give us a sneak peek then, Rohit. What are the numbers that you hope to complete FY16 on?
Yeah, as I said, in our we give the numbers by business, and in our corporate learning group business, we will see a growth of about 15% on the revenue side, with a margin of 12%. And in our skills and career business, we had said that we will be back to growth, which we are already, in the 3rd quarter itself, and also be back to profit, and we have seen some profit in this quarter itself, and YTD profit is about 7 crores in our skills and career business. Schools business, we will be break even for the year with about 100 crores of revenue.
All right, Rohit, all the very best. I can tell you shareholders are very happy with those earnings. Stocks up 1% in an extremely weak market, so NIIT, they're getting rewarded as we get earnings from NIIT, sticking to the guidance and sticking to the outlook business-wise as well. Rohit Gupta, a pleasure speaking with you. Meanwhile, you've got Diwan Housing numbers as well, flashing at the bottom of your screen. Profits are up 16% at 186 crores. You also have the income figure,